We have a PVC horns that we made, and these are based on the Nathan locomotive horn. The specific one is the 5KLA. We have 5 chimes. The power chamber is made out of a 3:2 PVC reducer, and the trumpets are made from Walmart transmission funnels. We have a D sharp, F sharp, G sharp, a B, and another D sharp. This D sharp is at 311 Hertz, and this one is about 622 Hertz and a little bit more. Most of these are within 2%. It's connected with a manifold down here made out of a piece of PVC pipe, and you may not be able to see that. The tubing is 3/8 inch, and it's fed by a 1/2 inch line connected to a Harbor Freight air tank. And the air goes from a 1/2 inch hose to a solenoid and then on to the horn. And this caddy contains the solenoid, 12-volt battery, and the activator or actuator, which is a long distance remote relay. And the blue horn, a blue wire, is the antenna. We're going to walk out here a ways and see how this works. I have a decibel meter out here about 4 meters away from the horn. We'll power the system up. Okay, we're powered up, and we're going to walk off a distance out here so that this horn does not blow our ears off. Okay, we're interested in does it work? And if it does, how loud is it and what does it sound like? So, here we go. Now, to me, that sounds like Nathan 5KLA.